Here are some surprising psychological and physiological facts about women's bodies and behavior that you might not know. Kissing has been shown to relieve pain, not just physically, but also mentally and emotionally. Around 95% of women report arousal when men suck on their fingers. People who cheat often assume others do the same, and liars typically believe everyone lies. Interestingly, men are more drawn to women who exude self-confidence than those who simply feel good about themselves. Menstrual cramps have been linked to triggering orgasms in 7% of women. If your mind frequently wanders, there's an 85% chance that you're unhappy with your life. On the flip side, women are more attracted to men who pay close attention to them and remember the little things without needing reminders. Men, contrary to common belief, enjoy hugging women just as much as women do. Confidence often speaks in silence, while insecurity tends to be loud. Studies show that men feel deeper emotional pain than women following a breakup. If everyone likes you, it may signal a deeper issue. Psychology suggests that a woman who has been unfaithful may smile differently afterward, possibly as a way to conceal guilt. And when people you don't even know dislike you, it often indicates that you're succeeding in life. Success is the best form of revenge after all. Remember, it's not about who's nice to your face, but who remains loyal behind your back. Be cautious with how much you share. Not everyone needs to know everything. A woman who frequently glances at your body might be curious about your size. A single sex session burns around 100 calories, and regular orgasms may reduce the risk of prostate cancer in men. If you've enjoyed this content, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Fresh makeup and perfume after a long day could be a sign she's recently been intimate with someone else. Always respect those who tell the truth, no matter how difficult it is. Having sex at least 3 times a week can make you look up to 7 years younger. It's the stories we tell ourselves that shape how we live. Being a good listener will never lead to trouble, and large breasts in women could be a sign of higher estrogen levels, which may correlate with fertility. Men are often drawn to younger women due to their sensuality and shyness. Public speaking, not death, tops the list as the most common fear. Women who don't engage in regular sex may age faster than their counterparts. Men often prefer women with larger butts, as this may subconsciously signal arousal potential. Regular sexual activity can strengthen bonds in a marriage, and nearly all women appreciate praise and romance before intimacy. Forced sexual relations are the gravest of sins because a woman's honor is paramount. If you found this video insightful, please take a moment to share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. For more fascinating topics, make sure to watch the recommended videos on your screen. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.